Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the set of crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin. In this episode, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin stagnating. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us when the stream is done, join us on Discord. Links will be going out here in a second, right? So we'll try to pin them right now. We'll make sure they're pinned here at the top of the YouTube chat. Let's see who's in the house. So many people in here, right? There's a lot of chat happening. On the corner of my eye, I can see Alex and Jake. We'll see who else. Looking at the message. Who's in here, man? Jeff Loomis, what's up? Bitcoin Jag, how's it going? Bitcoin Jag said, see DBT pump today? I didn't. Kato, tendies. That probably 80 to 70% staked, only 30% supply left. 1 September 12 rolls. With smart contracts blast of $3 plus. Probably, man, probably, right? Nothing against that. Amaya says, just to the crypto. Take an early peek at monthly. Yeah, we can do that. Dapper Romeo, one of our 10K data stake. Wow, pretty good. Alex, and then, yeah, what else? Jake says, and then Stephen Watson, me. Awesome. Thanks, guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for joining me today for this awesome stream. Now, let's get going. I am going to keep it short today, right? I'm going to look at the coins that were requested plus 2 more, so make sure you get your queues in. Let's go with the screen where the magic happens. I'll put DBT here because apparently pumped some, so we'll check it out. Other than that, there's going to be 2 more coins after that, and we'll see what's happening there, right? So, it is already in the list. Let's get market cap first, and then we'll start getting the monthlies, right? What is happening on the daily? Rejection yesterday off that line of resistance. Still floating in this rectangle that we drew a while back, a couple days ago. So we're still consolidating, still good, above 2 trillion, where we want to be. But not a lot of strength to the upside, right? I was hoping that we're going to get a green Sunday. We didn't. Obviously, that comes with the rejection that we're getting. We still have the strong bearish divergence. That is certainly putting pressure on that price. Let's see what else keeps happening here. Again, I'm not really seeing anything here that is scary. Still bought at 61.98. We have not cooled off here on the hour side. We do want to cool off before we keep on running, right? So let's get to the Bitcoin price, man. Where's the Bitcoin price at? Bitcoin dominance, 43.99%. Not too bad. Market going down 0.46% right now. Bitcoin's dominance is dropping, but Bitcoin's dropping 0.46 right now. Alts are dropping 0.21. That means Bitcoin's dropping faster than alts. So where are we at here, man? We opened today. Look at that. We're closing the gap, right? We didn't drop yesterday to close the gap, but we did open slightly higher, 49,070. Look at that. Move down. Close the gap already, right? That wick closes the gap. Gap's closed. Now we can try to run like we did last time, right? That would have been here, right? Look, we came here. We open here. Move down real quick. Close whatever gap we had and then run. So we've closed the gap. Now, can we run? Man, that's going to be good if we can get a run from here. Right? Do I think that's what's going to happen right now? Dude, I am. I'm on a little bit of a bind here. So we're still within this area of support resistance here, right? This area that we can trade within for Bitcoin. And I'm really looking for a break to happen, but we're not getting that break with strength. So I'm worried. I'm worried about Bitcoin right now. A little bit worried. Not super worried, just a little bit. What do we have here? Hidden bullish. We moved up, right? Rejection. Look, yesterday we didn't even get to that top blue line of resistance. We just got to rejection at 49,691. Right? We hit it. We can say you almost spot on hit it. Highest point, 49,650. So we're $40, $41 off target. Not too bad on a $49,000 move. So again, we already knew that yesterday because we already talked about that. But you know, starting to move down. Not a lot, not a very, very sharp move down. We did move down, but we pulled back up again, showing some strength. But right now, again, still losing some volume, some value, not volume. Let's see what we could do here, man. Like I said, we could be trading between that 49,691 and 46,801. Would not necessarily be bad. We still have that 20 moving average to look forward to a support at 47,503. On that note, neutral at 59.48. That is it for Bitcoin. Let's go to the 4-hour chart here. The 4-hour chart, we were looking for bearish divergence when we were live. Look at what happened. We closed lower, right? So what does that do? That means we didn't have anything. We're still dropping. We're still dropping and stagnating from this hidden divergence. Do I like that? No, I don't like that. I really want to see us rally more. Why? Because we got this awesome cross here below the zero line, above the 200 moving average, and we did get a rally, but I was really hoping for something with a little bit more strength behind it. Usually with MACD strategy, we are looking for a stronger move. And we've gone down and hit that 20 moving average a couple times. It seems as though we're rejecting it, even on this 4-hour candle. There's nothing else developing here. Low point, higher point, negative, less negative, low to high on the RSI. Neutral at 53. I mean, we're neutral. We could go either way, pointing slightly downwards though. So it tells right now that at least the market looks as though if it wants to move down a bit. Not the best looking because we're just almost in the middle of that channel, right? Almost. Slightly higher, but the middle of the channel would be probably somewhere around here, 48,000 or so. Do I like this move? No. I really wish we could just bounce here and then go higher and break 49,000. Don't look like it though yet. Let's see what else we have here. Neutral at 52.88. Let's go to the 1-hour chart here for the corn, man. Look, yesterday we had bearish divergence, right? And then when we were live, we were starting to create this bullish divergence, right? This we didn't have it here against the MACD. We just had it against the RSI. And we're looking for this bullish divergence strong. Guess what? We dropped more. I don't think we managed to hold on to it, right? Let's check. Nope, more negative momentum, right? So we didn't hold on to the bullish divergence. We did get a rally, though. We did get a rally. Why did we rally? We're going to check. We're going to check right now. And we're going to look at the monthly. Right? Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high here. So from back here, everything's cool. Hidden bearish divergence here on the move up when we were getting it. So sadly enough, putting pressure on the price again and helping us move down, right? Below the 20 right now, trying to reclaim it. Let's see if we can get there, man. Let's see if we can get there with some nice moves on the corn. This right. There it is. Neutral at 49.18. Again, low, high, negative, less negative, low to high. Nothing here that is bullish. I'm going to jump onto the half hour real quick. I just want to make sure there was nothing bullish help us with the rally, right? Low, lower, more negative, lower still, nothing bullish here. So there's nothing bullish for this rally. It was just like a reaction. Like we didn't want to go lower, but that's about it. Really not fun a lot here to support this rally that we got. So on that note, let's go check out the monthly. Monthly got requested. The monthly is a green month, man. It is a 17% rally on this month. So not too bad, right? Epic Eden, years on. What's up, my friend? Thank you very much for being here. Alex says, what do you think? Bitcoin bull or bear? Dude, right now I think it's stagnated. If it holds above 46, I think it's bullish. Not super bullish though, until we get above 49 and 50K. All right, we need to start going for that $51,000 mark. But right now here, we're in the neutral zone. We're fighting for this area. We're defending it tooth and nail. Bears want to drop it down. Bulls are still trying to push it back up. We can see that fight and that dance going on here. Ever since we got into this level on August the 20th, all of the moves are within this range. So if we stay above 46, we're okay. Dropping below 46 would put us in a sort of bearish, not super bearish, but a little bit more bearish scenario. I think if we drop 45,467, we could be looking a little bit more bearish. And I think breaking above 49,000 would start to go bullish, but 51,000, if we break that, man, I don't think these resistance are going to be that much, but the next one's at 54,000. So that's what I would be looking for, right? So, but if you ask me right now, bullish or bearish, someone asked me that yesterday, and I said, look, I'm not bearish, but I'm not super bullish right now, right? I'm slightly bullish, but not like I was a couple weeks ago or a couple days ago, right? When we were getting these rallies, and I was like, right now it's like, we're stagnating. We got to remember that we have not gotten any good pullbacks. We are breaking a support line. We have bearish divergence. At least adds up, man. I mean, yes, we're in a bull market. Second part of a bull market, or we don't know yet, but it seems like a bull market because of the rally we're getting, right? Since back here on July 21st. But bro, it feels as though we're really starting to lose steam. So the fact that we didn't get any good pullbacks, sizable pullbacks, right? After this one, I guess you'd say, makes me worry a little bit, right? Breaking this blue line puts us in a short-term bear trend. Not really dropping yet, so chance we could try to reclaim higher areas of value. We'll see, man. Again, not super bullish, not bearish, but not extremely bullish, right? Not like full-on bullish mode until we break above 49,000. Right now, I'm in a careful mode, man. I'm planning an exit in case we start to drop below 46K, particularly if we go over 45K. And then I might start adding on if we do drop below the 43, 42, and 40,000s. If we do start to rally up a little bit more, I wouldn't be adding right now, but I'll be looking for exit targets to the upside. The only reason I will be exiting around 46 or 45 is because if we do drop those levels, very likely we're going to come down to the 40s, lower 40s, maybe 40,000. So I could add up with a little bit more value, right? 10% more to my current position. That's the only reason I would probably sell there. But again, your strategy may vary, and that's all good. Let's go check out Ethereum. Ethereum 3,212. Again, Ethereum stagnating, still above that 382 fib retracement, and floating between that and the $3,224 mark. Not a lot happening here since the hidden bullish divergence, which again gets this upwards or sideways motion, right? So we went up and sideways, so not really a lot. Failing to get higher than the previous high. We know what's happening. Again, retesting, still above the 20, like I said. Neutral at 56.74. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Bearish divergence hidden. Actually, the downside, sideways, right? So we're getting that down sideways. Still above the 20, which is good. We've hit it a couple times, even here when we opened below the 20. We didn't break below, we just opened below. Reclaiming on the next one. Very nice. Still holding on to it, but not with a lot of strength. Tightness of the volume bands starting to come in. I'll just be worried about volatility leaving the market, because we know when volatility leaves the market, when it comes back in, we get explosive moves. So we could be looking for an explosive move happening here. Nothing bearish, nothing bullish. Neutral at 50.08. We're in the neutral zone, pointing slightly down. That said, though, I mean, not super bearish, also not super bullish, right? And again, that's why when you ask me if I'm bullish or bearish, the market's not really defined right now. Last thing we had was bearish. Moved down on that. Great. Then we created some strong bearish divergence. Look at this. Came lower still. Right? And look at this. Negative, less negative, right? So strong bullish divergence here for Ethereum. It is playing up. We are starting to get some hidden bearish coming and put pressure. I don't like the fact that hidden bearish is making us go down, though. I don't like that, because we know, right, when hidden bearish starts to take over. Bro. Better not that one. When hidden bearish divergence starts to take over, we know the bull market, or the bullishness, is dying out. Right? During a bull market, during a full-on bull market, bearish indicators fail to play out. During a bear market, bullish indicators fail to play out. But right now, when we're fighting for this area, and we see that bullish and bearish both trigger, then it's really time to like look at the market and say, yo, okay, we were fighting for this area, right? Because bullish and bearish are playing. So that hidden bearish dropped us, fell to drop lower than the previous low, which is fine. And then that fell to drop lower. We are finding a small bounce, and we could start to consolidate this area into a triangle right now. Not be weird if we do that before we go for a break. Right now, the triangle that we could make would be symmetrical, and that tends to break either way. Neutral at 48.88, so not a lot right now. Again, it's a watch game. Watch and plan a strategy. That's what you should be doing right now. If you're trading, you either should be seeing if you're going to add more in case we start to break to the upside. We're going to start looking for areas to sell before we break to the downside hard, and then find good areas to buy back in at a lower area of value. Let's check out the Binance. Binance also seems to be stagnating, and that comes with the, Bitcoin also not moving a lot. So losing some value, but not a lot. Again, bearish divergence. Last thing we had, actually the downside, breaking down. Weak bearish divergence. Bought at 63.19. So not a lot here. 4-hour chart, we were consolidating into a triangle, remember? We're starting to break that triangle to the downside. That triangle line was going like this. Oh, no, we're still holding on to that triangle. That line is to highlight the triangle. So we're still within. What I'm going to do now is just going to switch this to blue. I deleted the bottom line yesterday because we had a blue line there. Sorry, another yellow line, and I was really not worried about it breaking. So as you can see, low, higher, low, right on the price, negative, less negative, and some hidden bullish divergence for potential action. The upside, that's what we would have here on is here for our chart, right? For Binance. So hidden bullish, trying to hold on, still trying to stay within the triangle, which is fine. Symmetrical triangles, remember, can't break either way, 50-50, right? So we're just waiting for a break. If we break, where will we go, right? So, oh snap, I sent that to the 1 hour. I didn't want to send it to the 1 hour. This is the 4. There. If we break, where will we go, right? So high to low. Break to the upside, depending on where we break. 517 would be a good target. If we break to the downside, here, man, it's not letting me there. Looking around $442, right? Those could be targets for Binance if it breaks. You're gonna get rid of this measure move, and neutral at 45.87, still pointing down a bit, so we can still be looking for action to downside. And it's gonna depend on how we hold here. And bullish could try to get us to go back up. Hopefully break to the upside. That would be very nice, particularly if Bitcoin drops, right? If Bitcoin drops, we might see people get off Bitcoin onto Binance, and thus we could see a rally on the price of Binance while people wait for Bitcoin to get to a certain area so they can buy again. So could be a possibility, right? Anyways, someone said Ren. We'll put it here on the list. Thanks, man. Let's go and check 1 hour. On that daily, what is happening? Higher, right? Sideways. Sorry, that's daily. 1 hour. Right, we didn't have anything besides this bearish divergence. Breaking down from there, not a lot happening. Low, lower, negative, more negative, and low, lower still. Nothing bullish, man. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish after that. So that bearish divergence still moving us down. That's about it, though. From here, way back here, right, we could say, no, still coming lower. So nothing. Binance, regular market motion, not really our chart. Up next, ADA. You look at the music, but it's a little bit louder than my voice. Let me check. Levels are fine, man. It's weird. Someone came in yesterday and said the music was perfect, man. It's awkward. I'll lower it a little bit more, but there's not a lot I can do, man. For a lot of people, it's a fine level of music to listen to, right? So we'll go there. It's about 5% lower. That's it. As much as I can do. I can even hear them dropping on my headset a lot. So music is not that high. But thanks for letting me know. Cardano, let's go on the daily. On the daily again. Consolidation. Look at that. We're still in this area. Ha! Bearish divergence moving us down a bit. Not a lot happening there. Bought at 68.99. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart. Bearish divergence coming down. In the 20 bouncing. Doesn't get higher than the previous high, so we're just moving sideways right now. Not a lot happening since we had this hidden bullish and then strong bearish again. hitting the 20 bouncing. ADA apparently has stuff coming out that is going to make it super bullish. We'll see. Again, not losing faith on it. All right, we can still see a bull market. Neutral at 57.39. Not a lot happening here since. I would just say we're consolidating a bit sideways, which is fine. Consolidate before we try to move and break $3 and then hold off $3, right? Let's go here on the 1 hour chart. The last thing we had was bearish. We moved, and then we were looking for this hidden, or this bullishness yesterday when we were live. Did we manage to hold on to it? Man, that's going to be good if we did. Yeah, we did. Look at that. All right. Strong bullish in the rally, but the rally fails to get higher than the previous high. Nothing bearish there, right? High, low, positive, less positive, and high to low. We're just going with the market. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high here. Neutral at 52.42. Not a lot happening here. So our call yesterday, we were looking for bullishness. We did manage to hold on to it by the end of the candle, which is fine. Thus, we rally. Great. Let's go and check out DVT now. Because apparently DVT pumped 30%. It's just 4.4. Let's go and see here where it pumped to. It's at 4 sats. Jeez, it moved quite a bit. It moved nice. Great for DVT, man. Let's get this in dark screen mode. And the only indicator I want to bring out here is the MACD. The only reason I only bring out the MACD is because for some reason the RSI seems to have been stuck, at least for the last couple of days. So no point in looking at the MACD. We're just gonna look at at the RSI. We'll just look at the MACD, which is where we're going to be looking for divergence. Again, remember, this is a very small cap asset, meaning it could get swayed and move easily. Nothing bearish here, nothing bullish either, right? Moving sideways, expanding here, moving sideways, going higher. Like I said, nothing here that is bullish or bearish on the short term. Let's go to that 4 hour chart. Low to high, positive, more positive. Nothing here that is bullish, also nothing bearish. Look, low, lower, low, lower, low, right? Negative, more negative. So nothing on the 4 hour, nothing on the 1 hour. Let's check that daily. I already talked about this. Look, low, lower, low, negative, less negative. Strong bullish divergence with that. The possibility reaction to the upside. Very nice rally since, dude. Don't you wish you would have bought here at 2.2? Look at that. Almost double your money, man. Almost double your money in a couple days here on ADA. Sorry, on DVT. Which is fairly good, right? On that note, let's go. Let's go and check out Ren, which is the next one. By the way, guys, if you haven't done it yet, make sure you hit the like, hit the bell, and most importantly, hit that sub. We're building the most awesome crypto community out there. We cannot do it without you guys. You guys make this happen. You make this possible. The fact you guys come here every night makes it amazing. Thank you all for being here and helping build this awesome community. Cardano, nuts, Cardano, Ren, here we go. At 68.97 cents, right? 68 cents. Still coming higher, coming lower. We had bearish divergence drop, hit the 20 and bounced. Now we are getting above that 618 on the 5th. That's pretty good. Now, are we going to hold there? We don't know yet. We're just opening today. It's looking okay right now, although if you want to be realist, it's starting to develop some bearish divergence, right? Look at this. Now, I'm saying starting because this is the first positive. Well, this is the second, actually. Second bar of positive momentum. So we're starting to build this. We do have this also here against the... Jesus. Yo, what? Epic Eden, what the hell, dude? Jesus.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
That's awesome, dude. Fatality, dude. What the hell, man? Thank you very much for that. Much appreciated, my friend. That, what, man? Yeah. All right, cheers, bro. I hadn't brought up the beer today, but man, that is awesome. Thank you very much for that. I much appreciated, bro. I know, ain't it crazy, Jake? Jesus. Oh, bro, that is awesome. Thanks for that. That made the night for sure, man. Thank you very much for that. That was amazing. Ren again, something bearish. Potential action downside starting to build. We are bought at 65.86, man. Let's go to that 4 hour chart. Oh man, everyone check out Epikin's channel. Yeah, he has a Minecraft channel. Dude, just post the link, Jake. Post the link. He told me he was streaming the other day. I still have, like, I think he streams when I'm working still, so I have not been able to catch his stream. Oh, yeah. Sorry about that. Ha! Seamus comes out to play. Yeah, May got it. Right, there we go. Seamus. A little tiny wee bit drunken leprechaun coming out. It's going higher and higher. High to low, positive was positive, and high to low. There's really nothing here happening that is bearish on Ren, besides this hidden divergence that we had. And it did what it's supposed to, right? Sideways motion, slight action to the downside. That's what we got. Didn't quite hit that 20, and we're bouncing. It's really, really good. Guys, there you go. Jake has hooked me up and posted the link to Epic Eden's channel. Go follow him, go sub, go, follow. I think that's, it's on Twitch. You can follow him on Twitch. That's going to be amazing. Bro, bought at 67.91. Let's go to the 1 hour chart here. Look at this, right? It's starting to go higher on this small move here. But it is, it's starting to come lower here, man. Right, high to low and high to low here also. On the MACD, we're not anchoring the way I would love to anchor, which is from one positive momentum island to the other positive momentum island. We're going from positive to zero, right? That still works. It's still a strong bearish divergence, potential fraction to the downside. You have this also against the RSI, and we're moving down a bit. Could be heading for that 20 moving average. We'll see. We'll see how that happens here. But it's not too bad here for Ren. By the way, guys, do you guys have any other requests? We still have room for one more coin. Even, man, if you have any requests, let me know. I'll check out whatever asset you need me to check out, my friend. Thank you very much, again, for the kind and awesome donation. Much appreciated. We haven't gotten a fatality here on the channel for a long time. It's been a while since we got a fatality. That was freaking awesome, dude. Thank you very much for that. Yeah. Let's roll. So waiting for one last request, right? Anyone? Either that or the chat died or something. If you're still here listening to us, type 1. If you're not, type 2. This chat went dead. Not sure if there's still people here though. Is the stream live? Are we still running? Let's check. Yeah, it says we're still running. We're still good. Here we go. Kato in with the save with STX. You can tell how good a stream is going to be before that happens. Not because of the donations, though. People-wise. We do tend to get a lot of pre-requests sometimes. And that's because usually crypto's moving and a lot of people want to know what's happening. And when crypto's stagnating, no one wants to be here, man. It's like everyone's like, yeah, it's not doing anything, it's not moving. Let's go watch something else. This is crazy, bro. Derek Bird, what's up, my friend? Andrew is still here, bro. Thanks, man. Much appreciated. I know some of you guys are working and listening as you work. That's awesome. And you're right. Thank you very much for joining. Let's do STX. By the way, the reason I'm finishing the stream early today, tomorrow's my kid's first day of class at primary school. Gotta wake up super early. So, other stuff I gotta finish doing also. And, yeah. Oh, you're not gonna see the dog today, man. You're not gonna see the dog today, man. I think she's sleeping. She only wakes up around 11 to go out and poop, and then she comes back in. That's how a dog rolls, right? Dog alive. Yeah. Sometimes around 10:30 or so. She usually wakes up and goes to poop, and then she goes back to sleep. So. Oh. Anyways, bearish divergence strong. Potential fraction downside. We moved down. We haven't quite gone to that 20 moving average. There's really nothing here that is bullish right now. All the moves here, low to high, negative, less, negative, low, high. 1 hour chart, sort of dead. Let's go to the daily. We're looking for bearish divergence drop, hit the 20 and popped. Did we go higher than the previous high? No. From what we have here, at least at best, we got to the same height. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to really make this larger. I want to get a zoomed in here. All right, yeah, we did. All right, when we're zoomed out, the move looks like it's going sideways here. When we zoom in, we can tell. But we definitely did go higher. And that move, as you can tell, we're coming in lower. So high to low here. And high to low here as well. All right, so There we go. Strong bearish divergence, right? Action downside coming down. Low to high, negative, more negative, hidden bullish coming into play here. Now that we're zoomed in, we can see and appreciate all these moves, right? Hidden bullish coming in, helping it bounce a bit, right? And we also have that hidden bullish here against the RSI, right? But this one I'll zoom in so you can see it. Negative, more negative, right? Barely there. It's barely visible when we're zoomed out, but it is there now. La Casa Fantasma Inc. What is up, my friend? Thank you very much for joining us. Stream's about to end, though. Like I said, we're going to keep it short today. 4-hour chart. Awesome. Let's see what's happening. Low to high, positive, more positive, and high, higher, high. Lower, negative, more negative, and low, lower still. Neutral at 59.71. Again, here on the 4-hour, we don't have any clear indications to where the market wants to go. Really nothing bullish here, not even here, I think. So we're going to check 0013, 0013. Here, although it looks as though we're still going a little bit more negative, and if we zoom in, we're going to see that, right? Still reads at 013 and 013, so I'm going to give it that. And since it's reading the same, we can say, yo, look at that. It's a weak bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. But that's about it. We're going up a bit. Really nothing else happening here right now that we can consider, I guess. Let's check, though. Man, I'm really going to have to zoom in here as well. So, yeah. Right, this might work. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Hidden bearish. Starting to put pressure on that price. You just got home from work? Dude, that is awesome. Thank you very much for jumping in, dude. Epic Eden says cheers. Well, thank you, Eden. Thank you very much for that. Let's keep rolling. That is it, dude. That's it. Let's go back to the corn and check it again. Let's see where the corn's at right now. Again, just be careful, right? If we start to move down, remember there's some bearish divergence building. Try and get above that 20. We're failing right now. Hopefully we can get above it and see where we go. But there's really not a lot here that's happening that's bullish, right? Low to high, higher and higher still. That's it. How's the helium miner? It's good, man. It's good. I think this is today, last 24 hours. So today's mine 0.15 so far. Right now it's flatlined. We'll see. We'll see how the night goes. Last 7 days, I've had some dead days because something happened with the miner and we can figure it out. So last 30 days or so, 1.69 helium in the last since August the 20th, I guess we could say. About 9 days, just 1.6. It's a little bit slow because it's starting to populate, but it's all good. Not bad for the helium miner, man. Mining helium is fun. That was a hookup from this is me. This is me, not you, right? So you hooked me up with a helium miner, set it up. We're gonna be doing some splits there until he recovers the investment, and then then we'll see how we're gonna keep on splitting it. But it was a pretty cool hookup. It's interesting though, right? Let's see if we can get a green Monday, man. Getting above 49,691 will be epic for Bitcoin, man. Again, I really don't want to drag this stream longer than it needs to be. I do need to get going though. There's some stuff I need to finish, and then I want to see if I can jump in real quick, check some stuff out before I go to bed. So, guys, thanks for joining me. Again, that's gonna be it for tonight. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like, hit the bell, but most importantly, hit that sub. Join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. They're also pinned at the top of the chat. Talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. If you have a significant other, grab your cell phone, hit like, hit sub. I'm kidding. Don't do that. But if you do want to do that and you want to help us grow by that, by doing that, that'll be amazing. Anyways, remember, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. It's all for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. On that note, I'm going to end the stream for today. I'll be here again tomorrow. Hopefully, we'll be able to do a full-on stream. I got to see how we start to, become used to the new schedule. Because my kid's going to wake up early. A lot earlier than he was waking up before. So, on that note, guys, I'm gonna be calling it a stream for tonight. Thank you for joining me. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto. Epic Eden, thank you very much for the kind donation, man. that's going to be all for tonight, guys. I'll catch you again tomorrow. Until then.